Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Ayeshasfoodfunfusion. Today we are going to share with you the recipe of chicken broast. Mashallah, it looks so yummy, so tasty. The color is so tempting. Wow. As you can see, it is fully cooked. Mashallah, alhamdulillah. And the taste is super duper. Wow, yummy. For this recipe, first we clean and wash the chicken completely. Then we make the deep cuts in the chicken pieces. We use the large pieces. Now we marinate it with lemon juice. Instead of lemon juice, you can also use white vinegar. We marinate the chicken for almost 3 to 4 hours. By this process, the chicken becomes soft and it gives a nice, tasty, salty taste. After squeezing the lemon juice, now we add salt, which is almost half a teaspoon. Now we cover with the cling and shift in the fridge for almost 3 to 4 hours. For this recipe we use Broast masala. Now we add the batter mix. Now we coat the chicken completely. After coating the chicken pieces, now we leave it for almost 15 to 20 minutes and then we recoat if required and then we deep fry. Coating the chicken, we can also shift in a Ziploc bag and freeze it and enjoy it in our dawat recipes. It is a special dawat recipe, special winter recipes. If you like our recipes, please like, subscribe my channel. And also click on the bell icon. Please share our recipes with your friends and family. And also remember us in your prayers. Now we heat the oil on a medium flame. We shift our coated chicken pieces. Now we cook it. Do not use a spoon at this stage. As it turns light golden from one side, then we turn it from other side. Wow, the fragrance is so amazing. Now we cover the lid. So the chicken fully cooked and it also have a nice golden color. Mashallah, it looks so yummy, so tasty. The color is so tempting. Wow. As you can see, it is fully cooked. Mashallah, alhamdulillah. And the taste is super duper. Wow, yummy. Mashallah, it is fully cooked. There is no blood in it. And it's so soft inside and crispy outside. It is highly recommended recipe. Please do try this recipe at your home.